Hi everybody, thank you for tuning into my channel again, and I'm very glad that you tuned in. I hope you've been watching all my other videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you about how I practice in my sketchbook, right? So here's my sketchbook and I'm practicing on the sketchbook right now, and I'm using a reference picture. You can always use a reference picture, a reference photograph. You're not actually trying to get a likeness, but you're trying to use the posture, the pose, and also the shadows that happen on the face. You can look at all this and use it to do your illustration, right? So that's what I'm demonstrating here right now. And as you can see, I'm drawing the picture using the guidelines to draw my positioning, the eyes, the posture of the head, the way the head tilts, and it's all coming from that reference photographs that I just showed you. Okay, and so I'm continuing here, and I'm in this particular video I'm going to show you the process, the entire process of laying it out. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is obviously doing a pencil sketch based on that reference photograph that I just showed you. And, the elements that I'm going to be taking out of the picture are the hair, the shadows that fall on the hair, and the shadows that fall on the nose, as well as the eyes, and that sort of thing. And I'm not particularly looking to get the likeness of the girl, but rather using the posture. Okay? And the second step to this is after I finish sketching, which I'm going to do basically in a sort of a manga style, which as you can see, that's what I just did. And then the next step to this is to lay out the complete, to ink it out very carefully. And in this case, I'm doing it a little faster because there's no time, I have to put this all in 15 minutes. So that's one of the ways I'm going to be hurrying with this. But I hope you guys have been watching my other videos, ladies and gentlemen, and I thank you all for those people who subscribed, and those people who haven't, please do. I'll be putting videos constantly. I'm going to be showing you all the marker illustrations, acrylic paintings, figure drawings, comic book illustration, and demonstrations and tutorials and everything, okay? So I hope you've been watching my other videos as well. So in this case, the inking process is going to be completed. I'll be putting the entire inking, and then we go to coloring. And when I do the coloring, I think I'm not going to be up on the screen for too long, so there'll be music playing after this. But when I do the coloring, it's like experimenting really with the colors, and I'm not looking for a finished product, but rather, I'm just trying to show you what I do with my practice sketchbook. So once again, blending colors, trying different colors, mixing it with a little bit of pencils and that sort of thing to see what kind of effects you can make, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the rest of this, and keep watching, tuning in, and definitely subscribe and hit that like button and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I put a video. All right, thank you for watching, everybody, and the rest of this is going to be played out with music. So I hope you enjoy this. Have a great day. See you all soon.